Hello beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into something many of us use every single day: edible oils. From the bottle you drizzle over your salad to the oil you use for frying your weekend fish, each one has its own story, flavor, and health benefit. So let's explore the world of oils, the familiar ones we know, and the exotic ones that may surprise you. Let's start with the oils we see most often, the common kitchen oils. Sunflower oil, light, neutral, and perfect for everyday cooking. Canola oil, made from rapeseed, great for frying because it has a high smoke point. Corn oil, often used for deep frying and baking. Soybean oil, a common oil for all purpose, especially in processed foods. Vegetable oil, a general blend, mild in taste and budget friendly. Now, let's talk about the oils made from nuts, rich, flavorful, and often luxurious. Groundnut or peanut oil, perfect for stir fries and has a lovely nutty aroma. Almond oil, light and slightly sweet, often used in salad dressings. Walnut oil, a delicate, heart-healthy oil, best used raw to preserve its flavor. Hazelnut oil adds a sweet, toasty note to desserts and drizzled over roasted veggies. Macadamia oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, great for both cooking and skin care. Seed-based oils. Seeds give us some of the healthiest oils out there. Sesame oil, aromatic and nutty, widely used in Asian dishes. Flaxseed oil, full of omega-3s, but best used cold, not for frying. Chia seed oil, another powerhouse for heart health. Pumpkin seed oil, dark, rich, and lovely in salad dressings. Grapeseed oil, light and versatile, great for sautéing and baking. Fruit-based oils. These are the stars of both nutrition and luxury. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is best for salads and drizzling. Light olive oil suits frying. Avocado oil. Rich, buttery, and excellent for high heat cooking. Coconut oil. Fragrant, solid at room temperature, and perfect for tropical dishes and baking. Palm oil, traditional in many African kitchens, bold in color and flavor. Grain and legume oils. Rice bran oil, smooth and mild, ideal for frying and deep cooking. Wheat oil, rich in vitamin A, often used as a health supplement. Soybean oil, versatile and widely available. The exotic and rare oils. A few oils that are less common but worth discovering. Argan oil from Morocco, luxurious, nutty, and full of antioxidants. Hemp seed oil, nutty flavor, used mostly in dressings and smoothies. Camelina oil, ancient European oil, high in omega-3s. Black seed oil, bold flavor, known for its medical properties. Perilla oil, popular in Korean cuisine, aromatic and healthy. Baobab oil, from the African baobab tree, light and nutrient rich. If you ever come across baobab oil, give it a try. It's one of African's hidden gems, both nourishing and delicious. So there you have it, from the everyday oils we cook with to the exotic ones that bring a touch of adventure to your meals. Remember, each oil has its own personality, just like every recipe and every kitchen. Choose your oils wisely, store them well, and let them add health, flavor, and joy to your table. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And tell me in the comments which oil do you love the most in your kitchen.